Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we got some Doug fir down here we need to make some fence planks out of. Probably what, 6-inch, 1x6s. Anyways, so that's what we're gonna try to do. We tried sealing it up, as you can see, to avoid the cracking, which worked fairly good. Did a pretty good job. The one over there was cracked to begin with. However, we're gonna get the old sawmill running and take one of these logs over there and just see what happens. Dribbling out there a lot better now. I'll do a roll through less. Yeah, that's not too bad. Not cool. Oh yeah. All right, we got ourselves a nice little cant cut, and what we're gonna do is we're going to try to cut it in half and get that pretty close to a 6-inch width, so we can then go ahead and start cutting some good fence planks off of there. So let's get that dialed in and see what happens. All right, check this out, guys. Look at those, just up in the dust, man, just beautiful. That's no big deal for the fence. Look at that. Look at that board right there. That's awesome. Just great boards coming back. Okay, we got our first cant cut up into our fence planks, and looks like we ended up with about, what, 26 or so good ones? Something like that. Got a couple that aren't going to be no good for the fence, but we'll use them on some other kind of a project. We'll find some use for that. Not on a fence, but something. Just make sure you use some stackers, get them stacked up pretty quick before they start bowing. We'll put you know, a little weight on top there to hold her down straight. But don't waste time stacking it. We made that mistake the first time. Those few boards we cut, they went like that. So anyways, okay, well, our second log was just a little bit smaller, so we couldn't quite get two, you know, 6-inch wide cans out of that. So what we did is we cut some wider slabs here. Come around here. You know, we got some good, gosh, 11, some of them close to 12-inch slabs here. Yeah, probably 11. But anyways, so we got some good slabs there for some other project. We'll figure something out, but we're gonna get this one set up for some more fence planks. Here we go. Okay, well, we've gone through 2 of our logs and we've ended up with about 42 boards, and a few of them aren't going to be any good for the fence, but you know, we'll find something for them to do. But anyways, not too bad. So we got, yeah, 42 fence planks, and we got a handful of miscellaneous wider ones, and one of them's thicker. That'd be useful for something else, and some nice slabs for some other stuff, and looking pretty good. Well, thanks everybody for coming along today, hanging out with us while we cut some fence boards. We're gonna go have some lunch, and we'll probably come up back out here, and we got a couple more to cut up this afternoon possibly. We need to do a blade change. It's getting kind of dull pretty soon. So anyways, thanks for coming along. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button for us, and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Have a good one.